Hi all, welcome to the offline class. It's very nice to be in touch with you with this offline class. Let's refresh today with 7th standard first poem Self-Reliance. This poem is for memorization. This is a poem written by Kathleen Delicato, who is born in USA, Florida. She has a great passion to write sonnets. Sonnets are 14-line poems. So here we have a 14-line poem and let's begin with the poem. Listen children. In this present situation, this poem will help you to face life confidently and joyfully. Many factors help us to attain success. Can you see the chart behind? Can you name some? Which are the factors we need to win in life? Yeah, self-confidence, hard work, self-respect, generosity, self-sacrifice, contentment, and self-discipline. These are all the main factors. We have many examples for this. The most important one is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the 11th President of India. His father was a boatman, and yet he, Abdul Kalam, through his hard work and self-confidence, reached great heights. He had to sell paper when he was a small boy to supplement his family income. So, through his hard work, he was able to attain success. Next, we have Mother Teresa. She is known for self-sacrifice. She came all over to India and devoted her life to help the poorest of poor people. We have Swami Vivekananda, who too sacrificed his life for the well-being of people. Then we have Gautam Buddha, who got enlightenment. He left his kingly pleasure and became a monk who advised others. So we have many living legends now as an example. So some are Sudha Murthy and Sudha Chandran. She lost a leg, but she was able to again dance. She is also a very good example. So all these gained their success through self-confidence and self-reliance. They didn't depend on anyone. They were self-dependent. So let me start the poem. Just listen to me how I read and practice it at home. I realize now that I am alone. On myself, I must learn to rely. I have to begin to stand on my own. If I fail, I must continue to try. I can ask others for their opinions, but ultimately, it's I who decide. I'll be the ruler of my dominion, determining which road I'll take with pride. Though some may disagree with my choices, thinking they know a better path to take, though people in abuse raise their voices, it's up to me, my destiny to make. By being true to myself, I begin to learn how to stand alone, how to win. So, this poem tells you how self reliance helps a person to win in life. The poet wants to depend upon herself even if she fails sometime. She says she can ask others for their opinions, but ultimately it is a self-confidence which helps her to take the royal road of success. The poem is a lesson for all those who feel alone and make us realize that although there are people around us, we sometimes have to stand on our own. It teaches us to create self-confidence and self-reliance. The poet, though she was surrounded by relatives, society, friend, realizes loneliness. To take up any decision, she learned not to depend on others, only to depend confidently on herself. She can ask others for opinions, but the ultimate decision is hers. The only thing in life is being true to herself, which will take her to the highest peak and teach her to stand alone and to win through her with self-confidence. The poet is saying that if you learn to stand alone, and rely on yourself, you will be able to make crucial choices for yourself without outside forces persuading you to choose a different path. Hope you understood this poem, children. Any doubts you can clarify later on in WhatsApp. Thank you, children. Bye. Take care.